Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. We begin with a TVJ News follow-up. The police are on high alert that peace could be shattered in Mona Commons in St. Andrew and surrounding communities following the murder of the manager of the Papine Market at the facility on Friday. Jamaica Maitland explains.
Colleen Bernard was gunned down at about 3:50 inside the Papine Market Friday afternoon. According to the police, Ms. Bernard, who was the market manager, was in the process of collecting market fees from shop owners when she was approached by a man. The man shot her multiple times. An off-duty police officer reportedly challenged the gunman as he tried to escape. Eyewitnesses who didn't want to speak on camera say there was a running gun battle, sending motorists and commuters scampering for cover. It ended in the vicinity of Hope Gardens along Hope Road. The gunman was shot and injured. A firearm was reportedly recovered along with ammunition. Unfortunately, Miss Bernard died. TVJ News visited the Papine Market Saturday morning. Their vendors who braved the horrors of less than 24 hours ago declined to speak on the issue, only saying the market is safe. For those who didn't show up, their tightly wrapped tart goods spoke for them. Too scared to come out. Anxious shoppers say they're not trying to linger as much. The Papine Market remains a vital commercial hub. It's where locals, university students, and medical professionals who live and work in the space get their food. It's a major economic driver for the surrounding communities. Communities like Mona Commons, where Miss Bernard lived. Their residents didn't want to speak with us either. Our cameras observed one police car with officers patrolling the space. Our news team has been reliably informed that there are fears of a reprisal. TVJ News reached out to the police. However, Senior Superintendent for the St. Andrews Central Division, Mark Harris, was not available to speak with us up to news time. But a copy of a police report shared with our newsroom said the possibility of a reprisal is high. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.